So this is 1973, number 38. Wow, this requires like a really good knowledge and understanding of transformations. So what does that minus c do to our graph? So let's look at what's going on. If I have a function f of x, and we're going to make some assumptions here just to make this easier to picture. If I were to graph f of x, and I'm going to graph it from, I'm just going to go A to B right now. And then we'll look at some more specific. So I don't know what the function looks like. I'm just making some stuff up. Maybe it looks like that. And so there is my function. Now, what would this look like? I'm going to assume c is a positive value. Okay? I'm going to assume c is positive. So f of x plus c, or minus c, is going to shift it right c. So what's this graph going to look like now? I still have A and I still have B, but then I have a point here. It's going to be A plus C. And this will be B plus C. So this graph is going to be shifted to the right. So let me do this for you. It's going to be the same graph, except it's shifted right some. I don't know if you can see that. So this point here is now over here. And this point here is now over here. I shifted right C. You see? Maybe I should highlight that. That's a great idea, Yoshida, great idea. So it's just shifted right. So if they integrate this function, let's say from 1 to 2, we will call this 1 and 2. So this is saying the integral from 1 to 2 of this is 5. So that area here is 5. Okay, then they're asking, what happens if I integrate the original function, f of x, this, but what's that do? What's 1 minus c? Well, if this is 1, minus c would be a. And if this is 2, if I minus c, I'm going to be at b. So this is actually going to shift this to a and b. It's going to be this one. So a is actually 1 minus c. And b, that point's actually 2 minus c. Because I moved c to get there. So if I go backwards, I'm going to minus c. So this is actually 1 minus c. And this is actually 2 minus c. So if the area of that was 5, if I shift it back left and go from 1 minus c to 2 minus c, it's still going to be 5. It's the same thing, just shifted. That is a really hard problem to process through if you don't understand transformations. Even if you do, it just, yeah, that would be a problem that I would skip and come back to later because it's going to take too much time.